It's just a friendly sloth.
Hey.
Oh!
Sorry, we thought you were a
Swamp monster!
Oh, no problema. You probably never saw a sloth swim before. We're slow on land, but we're great swimmers.
It's more that you're covered in green slime. What is all that?
Oh, this? Just algae that grows on my fur. It keeps me camouflaged, so I can blend in with the leaves. That way hungry predators, they won't see me. Plus, the algae is totes delish. Tasty.
Ooh.
It looks like you've got some little bugs on you too.
Those are my moths. They live in my fur and actually help make all this algae. But
what?
well, lately, someone's been stealing moths right off my fur. Very uncool. That's why I've been hiding in the water.
Someone's been taking them? Any idea who the thief could be?
No idea. They swoop in and steal the moths so fast. As soon as I turn to look, they're gone. Without my moths, I won't have enough algae on my fur to stay camouflaged. Or to snack on.
Sounds like this swamp monster case just became a stolen moth mystery.
Don't worry, we'll find this thief. Should we search for paw prints? Or we could do a stakeout.
Maybe we could give the sloth some kind of disguise.
Or give the moths tracking devices.
Ooh, moths.
Tracking devices on the moths. Interesting idea. They'd have to be pretty tiny.
And some for later?
Agents?
The brown jay!
Thanks for the snacks.
Whiskers! That's who's been stealing the moths. Quick, kid, we need our...
Hoverboards! Here!
Wait for me! I'm coming with you.
She's getting away.
Almost there.
Better let me help you.
Oh, thanks, dude.
Hang on tight.
Put down those moths!
No way!
Quick, after... Whoa! Are you asleep right now?
Oh, sorry. I didn't get my 18 hours yesterday. I'm awake now, promise.
Let's go.
Can't catch me!
Sam, I'm starting to think this bird actually likes being chased.
I think you're right. Come on.
Ooh, this looks fun!
Oh, brother. I'll get her.
Wait for us.
Oh, this was easier with one person.
Even 2 people was easier.
I just want to say I feel real close to both of you right now.
Go right.
No! Left! Whoa!
We'll never catch her like this.
Yes, we will. Just stay cool.
Stay cool?
Deep breaths. Smooth moves. That's it. Nice and easy. No sudden movements. We all move as one. Ooh, yeah.
Hey, I think we're getting the hang of this.
Come on! The Jay's just up ahead!
Huh? Wow, you guys don't quit!
Not until we get those moths!
Look out!
Whoa!
Quick, lift me. Got him.
Whew! Everyone okay?
Yup.
I'm all right, and so are the moths. Anything you'd like to say to our sloth friend here?
Sorry for causing so much trouble. But those moths are really tasty!
I get it, but I need those moths. No moths means no algae, and no algae means no camouflage.
Guess I have to find something else to eat.
Oh, you know, I got some lice that are super itchy, and it's really bumming me out. You wanna try one?
Ooh, lice! Yum!
Ugh, a little gross. But still, that's another creature case